Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix software update stuck on checking for updates issue. So guys, if you're trying to download and install the latest version of software but you're facing this issue and you are unable to get the update, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to iPhone storage and then make sure that your iPhone storage is not full, and if it is full then delete some used data from your device, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly, and if it is not working properly then change your internet connection and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then go to software update and then you have to simply go to automatic updates and turn it on. After this go back and go to beta updates and check this to latest iOS version, that is iOS 27 developer beta. After this go back and check if the update is showing up or not, and if the problem is still there then go back and then scroll it below and go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN. Again go back and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time, and after this force restart your device for one time as well. So as for that, press and release the volume up button and then down button and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.